Okay, got one, finally. Oh, a little bigger.
Well, hey everyone, Bill with Fishing with Dad, and oh man, I just love Tennessee. I just love it. There's all these places to fish. Anyway, I'm driving along looking for a place to fish that I had marked on Google Maps, and I stumbled upon this nice little road bridge here in the shade, and nice deep water on both sides. So hey, we're going to give it a shot, and we're going to use the little standby here that I've been using for these small creeks, and that's a Leland Lures trout magnet jig head. Yeah, I'm going to use this, and let me get them out here. A bucket of mealworms. Yeah, so anyway, we're gonna quit yakking, get cracking, and get to fishing.
I think we're gonna fish the other side here because it's not as many trees in the way. And I got great places to sit my bait. Look at that. Yeah, if I don't get run over by a stupid car. Yeah, look at that. And a great place here. I don't have to worry about falling in. Yeah, just what could be better? Well, we're going to start off with a mealworm, since that's been the killer bait for all kinds of things. For trout, and panfish. Wonder what's in here. This looks like good channel cat or bullhead country. Sure does. I don't know how deep it is, but we'll find out. Oh, had a bite. And it took my bait. You know what, guys? I'm going to try a worm. Great place to wipe my hands, too. Yeah, what more could a fisherman want? Oh, got one. Oh, had one. I had one, guys. I had one. It was very small, but it was a fish. The cool thing about these little places, you never know what you're going to come up with. Okay, got one. Finally. I let him run with it. Oh, it's a little sunny. Oh, ain't he cute? Okay. All right, guys, isn't he cute? Just a little feller. Yeah, just a little feller, but he's a fish. And where there's little ones, there's big ones. I think they're liking the mealworms better than the regular worm, earthworms. I would think there'd be a largemouth bass or two in here, creek chubs, bullheads, channel cats. This looks very catfishy. That must be catawba leaves. That's what those are. That's what that plant is right there. Catawba tree. Has those worms that people prize for fishing and oh, whoa. Oh, whoa, dude. Whoa. Let's see what's inside here, guys. Let's see what's in the tunnel. Snags. That's what's inside the tunnel. Come on, guys, let's get another fish. I don't know how many I've had on, but they're little. Oh, got one, finally. Finally. Man. Another little bluegill. And this one's even smaller than the first one, guys. Look at this. Oh, there's a bunch of little ones. There's got to be Mama and Papa in here. There has to be. Ugh. This is a challenge, my friends. This is a challenge. Okay, got one, finally. Oh, a little bigger. There's the biggest one of the day. Finally. Yeah, there we go. Number 3. Oh, what's weird, they're all bluegill in here. They're all bluegill. Now the other day I was fishing, I have a feeling this creek somewhere else, I think it's the same creek, and I got nothing but, I think, fall fish and creek chubs. But here it's just bluegill. I think the water's not moving as swiftly, and creek chubs like water moving a little faster. Boy, they're outlined. All right, another bluegill. Oh, that's number 4. Number 4. I think this is the tiniest one of the day. Okay, we'll get you back in, my friend. We'll get you back in. Yep. Yeah. I think this is the littlest one of the day. Okay, got another one. What's this one? Bluegill. Oh, another decent sized one. Well, compared to what I've been getting. Yeah, there we go. Okay, got one. Another one. Another bluegill. Wow. Yeah, there we go, guys. Oh, I think that's about what's in here. Okay, guys, I think we're going to move to the spot we were looking for originally. So we're going to close it out here. Well, guys, I think we're going to call it from this spot. We're going to move up or downstream. I'm not sure which it's going to be. And see if we can find the spot that I originally wanted to go to. And I stumbled on this. It's a cool little spot, but it's just little bluegill, and that's it. And I'm really surprised I didn't get creek chubs or fall fish, but I think they like clear, faster moving water. So, and I thought maybe I might pull up a bullhead or even a small channel, but nothing. I had trouble keeping these guys on the line. They were so small. Anyway, yeah, we're going to call it. Neat little spot. I'm coming back, going to mark it on my fishing holes. And yeah, so I hope you like this little video. Short, didn't catch much, but I caught fish. So anyway, guys, we're going to sign off. So
We'll see you next time out here on the water. So be safe, have fun, and go fishing. Look for a fishing hole like this. They're fun. They're a hoot.
And we gotta go back and retie, guys. And get our stuff out of this sun over here in the shade. Keep your hands out of the spider web.